Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Bow. Bow means play violin with bow. For example, the techniques by which the pieces were bowed. The techniques by which the pieces were bowed.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Make way, heathens, and bow to your celestial overlords. Now, repeat after me. Make way, heathens, and bow to your celestial overlords. The second exemplar. Formal greetings are made by bowing the head and upper body. Now, repeat after me. Formal greetings are made by bowing the head and upper body. The third exemplar. The human quickly bowed, as a sign of respect and kindness. Now, repeat after me. The human quickly bowed, as a sign of respect and kindness.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Scraunched is the longest English word with one syllable. Along with the archaic word, strengthened. Scraunch is the sound your car makes on gravel.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.